Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to Sell Crypto, your home for crypto. Yeah, I am your host, Wolf, and today we're gonna be looking at crypto and beers. Yeah, I'm actually gonna be drinking gin, not beer. Now, if you're catching this from live, welcome. If you're catching the replay and having suggestions, please comment below. I really want to know what you're thinking, and if you want to be up to date with the latest news and technicals, hit that like, that bell, and that sub. That way you will be notified when we go live. And if you want to keep on chatting with us whenever the stream is done, join us on the Discord links. As always, we'll be going out here shortly. What is up, Elon? What is up, my friend? Thank you very much for being here. Thank you for joining me. Thank you for being the first one in. Congratulations. Congratulatory-tations. Can we do Solana? Yes, we can do Solana. No problem. Let's look at the market cap. Market cap still struggling to go higher with strength. We are still going higher still, though. Yesterday we pumped 2.17%. Still have this strong bearish divergence building here. With that, again, the possibility for action to the downside, right? So if we do move down, 20 moving average at 1.06. If we do keep on railing, we're going to have resistance here around 1.19 trillion, right? That is awesome. I already knew that. So let's keep rolling. Let's go check out Bitcoin. Bitcoin looking like trying to do something, but failing. And we're gonna check it in a second. All right, still trying to rally, right? Look, ooh, we're trying to go higher. But guess what? We'll get higher than this previous week here, and we are still creating this divergence here that is bearish. We no longer have it against the RSI, which is okay. Adjusting as a MACD, and that could lead us to again, moving down to 20 moving average is going to be there to support at 23,262. We're also going to have support at 23,220, right? But if we look at Bitcoin here on this chart, that's going to have an upsloping channel as soon as it loads. You're going to be able to see what I'm talking about. So, see the upsloping channel we're in? We have not been able to break it. Now, breaking it is not going to be the most awesome thing ever. If we go for a measure move of the channel again, at best, we are looking at, if we are to break it, we're looking at 28,000, like we said, right? But if we fail, we'll keep looking for more moving down, right? So, Andrew, what's up, dude? Thank you very much for joining us. Yeah. Let's keep rolling. Oh, let's go Bitcoin here on the 4-hour. How's it going, guys? How's your weekend so far? I know it's just Friday, but it is the weekend. It is the weekend. Guess what? This Wolf's gonna have to work on the weekend, which sucks. You know, I really wish I didn't have to work on the weekend. Cali Crop Doc, what's up? We are waiting for this to load. I'm having this nice gin and tonic with a lot of slices of mango, fresh mango. Oh, that's so good, man. Wolves like fruit, so yeah, mango wolf. Anyways, let's keep rolling. Ooh, I just noticed that my eyes look weird here on the chart. Maybe because they're green. I'm not sure. Maybe I should change the color, because I think they go by the whatever's in the background. But let's keep rolling. Anyways, we're trying to go slightly higher. So right now, to this 4-hour candle, we're going to start developing strong bearish divergence. Watch out for it. It's not there yet because it's not yet confirmed. If we do go lower, we're not going to have it. But for now, we got to have divergence. Bought at 62.63. Let's go to the 1-hour chart. And again, bearish divergence could lead us down. We already know where we could go. We've talked about this before. Now, we're still lower than this previous high here, so everything here is still good. Nothing crazy, right? Don't worry about, like, cup and handlers or anything like that. I'm actually more worried about double topping around this here zone and then getting an action to downside move. But right now, bought at 69.46. But again, nothing bearish on this move. Nothing bearish from the previous move. With that said, let's go and see Ethereum, which is playing like a champ at 1,963. It has recovered more than 100% from its lowest hit of 900 buckaroos. Now I'm glad I bought back in Ethereum, like I said, and I used some of that to buy some APEPES. So the fact that Ethereum has gone up and APEPES have gone up, it's basically netted me more than 3 times return on my investment so far. So it's pretty good. Ethereum going up and APEPES going up is just doing awesome for me. It's a good combination. I'm happy with that. I'm happy with that combination. So bearish divergence potential for moving down. If we do move down 1,851, look at that. We came down here yesterday. Remember we talked about hitting that zone, hit it, bounced again. We even updated our area here to make it be at this closing, and then we already knew we're hitting. But we talked about that area being a support, and why the reason that we shifted that line, because it was noticed that it was probably a bit off, and then now we fine-tuned it a bit, and we also get rejections over here, which again makes sense, right? So with that said, let's go to the 4-hour. Now Ethereum on the 4-hour is not looking super hot. It does have some strong bearish divergence developing, and that could bring some action to the downside, right? And right now it's sitting in neutral. Overbought at 70.63. So overbought with the bearish divergence. That is a catalyst for potential moving down, right? Watch out for that. If we do move down, 1,851 and below there, 1,674. Those are targets that I'm moving down. 20 moving average is going to be there, but it was at that 1,851. And here on the 1-hour, chart, we are creating bearish divergence, right? Unlike that other chart we were looking at on Bitcoin, didn't have it. Guess what? Here we do have it, right? And we track it from the highest point. Now we could leave this as is, so we don't bother what we had done before. But this is the move I'm looking at. One island to the next island, right? Now this island is still in development. We're not getting that signal that we're going down yet with strength. So I can come from back here or here, whatever. It doesn't matter. I just don't want to get too many lines going over the data. But it is as if I was anchoring from back here, right? So just imagine I drew the line from here to here, right? From here to here, and have that bearish divergence strong. We not only have it against the MACD, but we also have it against the RSI. Now that, again, while overbought, right now at 70.08, could lead to movement down on Ethereum, right? That could lead to a movement down on Ethereum. And just real quick, we're gonna go check out these things, these APEPES. Look, they're at they just dropped 0.77. But they've been doing really good. They've been doing really, really good. Again, this back with my entry levels on Ethereum, triple return already on investment. Not bad, not bad. I think the highest one that has sold for these little things, it's 20 Ethereum, I think. Yeah, 13 Ethereum for this one. So 13 Ethereum for this one, and then someone's selling this one at 200, and someone's selling this one at 200, which I think it's crazy to put them at 200. But I wouldn't mind setting mine at 20 and see if it takes, right? Maybe an ape wants to buy one of the ones I have, and they'll pay 20 Ethereum for it. I'm not sure, but that'll be a freaking awesome return on investment, right? You buy it for 0.25, 0.27. You get 20 back. Oh man, that is pretty freaking sweet. Now with that said, I might list them for 20. Who knows? A lot of these rare ones with rare trades obviously are selling for higher. I don't have any of these rare trade ones or super rare trade ones. I do want to get some, but I would need to sell whatever I have to get them. Let's keep looking here. Solana got requested, so let's look at Solana. Solana, here we go. Look at it at 47 buckaroos. 47.41 buckaroos, man. All right. Oh, remember when we talked about something happening here? I can't remember what it was, but how this could play to the upside and somethingness. Let's go to the 1 hour. What were we calling for here? I know we called for something. That's why we have the lines with retracements. And I don't remember what it was that we were looking at here. But we are running and we are recovering on that smaller fibs, which is good. Low to high, more higher and higher still. So nothing here that is bearish. It's just been running nice. 6% yesterday, 4% today. And add that 5 and almost 1. It's been getting really, really nice return the last 4 days. Taking off, man. Getting above that 1618. Very nice. Next target, the 2618, and that's gonna be around yeah, around that $49.10. Well, let's go to the 4 hour. On the 4 hour chart, look at this, man. Ooh. It looks as though we might be creating some bearish divergence. Oh, look at that. I know. Oh, there we go. 0.37, 0.36. It is technically slightly lower. So I'm just going to draw it there and say, yo, there's bearish divergence right now. With that, the potential fraction downside is strong bearish. Now, if this pumps a little bit more and this goes slightly higher, we're no longer going to have it. But for now, it's there. Just something we got to watch out for. And here we're just overbought. It's in 1.57. Let's go to the 1 hour chart. I like a gin and tonic. Alrighty. Look at this. We're going higher. More positive momentum and higher on that other side. Nothing bearish. We're still on track to take off. Last time we created here, look at this beautiful move. Right at that support, that previous 100% that we were using for this. Oh, looky here. Divergence, bullish, strong. With that, the potential for action to the upside. And we are getting that movement up. It looks pretty freaking sweet, man. I like it. I like it a lot. That's where we're getting that rally coming in. And what else do you guys want to look at, right? Give me 1 quick second. Tell me what you're going to look at, and be right back. There we go. We are back. Galaga. Like the old school game from arcades, Galaga. All right, let's go look at Gala. At 6.8 cents. Look at that. That's just doing good. It's a bumping. It's trading bearish divergence strong, just by the way, in case you didn't notice. It has some strong bearish divergence with that. The possibility for action to the downside. Alrighty, look at this. Ooh, strong bearish divergence, potential for moving down. We don't seem to have it here yet against the RSI. It's actually going slightly higher. I'm not gonna call it here, but again, bearish divergence strong. Potential for moving down. If we do move down to 20, moving average is gonna be a nice target. And wow, Gala we haven't looked at since we were back here. And look, we dropped even below the previous low we were using here. And almost to inception levels, right? Ooh, weird. Alrighty. It's going up a bit. 6% yesterday, 4% today. Let's go to that 4 hour chart, see what's happening there. All right, so it's definitely going higher and higher and higher. There's really nothing to track here, right? Look, low, higher, low, negative, less negative, low to high. Higher and higher and higher. Everything's good here. Let's go to that 1 hour, because this one's just doing good. It has nothing behind it yet. It's ruining it. Right here, there was some bearish divergence. That's already played in the past, though, and that's why we get that movement down. It came down here. Yeah, and yeah, that's it there, man. Now here we have created some bullish divergence strongly. That boom from here to here, man. Oh, pretty. From here to here. Look at that strong bullish, popping like crazy, not looking bad at all. It is just going higher and higher and higher still. It's okay, man. I think you don't have anything bearish right now to worry about. Even from back here, you're still higher on that positive momentum, so it could still run. I would just be looking out for some pullback, and then see if we run again from there. We got a request for Doge. All right, let's go look at Doge. Doge, where you at? Here we go. Doge at 7. 0.28 cents. Yes, you're right. It hasn't moved a lot. It is just consolidating. Yesterday pumped 2%. Today going up 0.41. Yeah, slowly rising, but nothing bearish, I think. Let's zoom in here. Ooh, slightly lower. All right. From the previous island, I think we could go and say it's from the island down under. And look at this. We're getting a bearish divergence, potential fraction of downside. That's the only thing we have. I mean, there's really not a lot going on here in Doge. 4-hour chart, not looking super bad. Again, higher or lower, bearish divergence strong, potential fraction of downside. But again, this thing has barely moved, so someone poke it with a stick. See if it goes somewhere, right? Right, and with that, one quick second. Alrighty, we are back. I noticed the music stopped, so that's weird. I'm trying to figure out why or when the music stopped. Oh, there we go. It's a back. High to low, low to high, right? So hidden divergence at best. Righty, there we are. Look at that. Oh, potential fraction of downside still. It's just a lot of downwards things coming in here for Doge, I think. That's what we have. Really not looking at anything that is super bullish. We had some bullish divergence here. Already played the upside, which again was nice to see. But we're not getting that super strength. Like getting above the 20 is good, but you know, need to really, really get higher than this previous high for us to negate these divergence, and then look for something better to happen. But for now, it is what we have, man. Sorry, one second, guys. There's something clicking here in the office. It just driving me crazy. Yeah, I can't figure out what it is. I can't figure out what it is. Maybe it's a bug that it's clicking. Not a bug. It just like sounds like something's like. It's just weird. It's just weird to explain. I'm trying to figure out where the sound's coming from. Wolf drinking face. It's a wolf drinking face again. Ooh. Ergonomics. All right, we've looked at ergonomics before. Oh, it's ergo. Ha! Oh, that's what you asked for yesterday. I thought you came in and like you were philosophizing with me when you came in and said, "Sell crypto, ergo," and I was like, "Ergo, some, Descartes, or you know, what are we talking about?" I was like, maybe he wants to be a philosopher. I didn't know you were requesting a coin. I'm sorry. It's all good. Let's go to the daily. Oh, look at that. It's just taking off. Oh, good. Oh, goodness. It's just taking off. It's just gone off the book. It's just going bananas. And we're not even monkeys today. Oh, look at that. Hidden divergence. Oh, no. Hidden. Bullish divergence. Shrunk. Pumping from there. Good. Let's go to the 4-hour. Look at how massive this pump. This is a mighty green pump. 39%. Here, again, nothing bearish. All right. Look, you're even going higher than this first high here. So, it's good. You just overbought at 90.66. So, highly overbought. Just watch out for pullback. The pullback. Oh, you know, once wolves start, there's no pullback. They stuck for like 30 minutes, like dogs. I think. So no pullbacks for wolves. So we don't wait for pullbacks, dude. Why am I getting that clicking noise? Trying to figure out why this is clicking. All right, let's keep rolling. And we're gonna see what else. Nothing bearish here, like we said. Maybe bearishness from back here. Who knows? We're gonna have to double check. November rains. What do you mean November rains? Like you're gonna start singing here. November rains. Oh, look at that. Bearish divergence strong with that potential flexion to the downside. I know if we do move down, the 20 moving average is going to be there. Oh, the pain if we do drop to $2.99. But right now we're sitting at $3.60, so we're not doing that bad here, right? So what's saying? Bump it. Man, that's viral video into his hills. What's up, viral video? Philip says heavy dump since November. Yeah, talk about it, right? This is the heaviest dump before the winter. That's when you wanna, like, if you're a bear, that's when you have to take your heavy dumps right up when you're a bear, because you're gonna hibernate, and then you gotta leave that dump out, and then you have to eat bark. Or no, what is it that you eat to like clog yourself up when you're a bear? Anyways, when you're a bear, you have to clog yourself up, so you have to take the massive dump in November, I think. So you're ready for winter, right? So yeah, massive dump from the bears before they hibernate, I guess. AXS, all right, let's go. Alrighty, let's go on here. Oh, look, we're going higher. Oh, look, we're coming lower. Oh, no, the bearish divergence. What? Oh, yeah, there's bearish divergence here, my friends. Don't be fooled. Don't be fooled by this move. Strong bearish divergence. Potential for action to the downside. Oh, no, look at that. We could go down. Let's look in here. Andrew says, "Brr, it's true. You literally won't be able to withdraw staked Ethereum." Brew, I don't know. I'm not gonna stake my Ethereum. I am gonna trade it. Maybe I stake it later, but for now, I think there's other things that might give better returns than staking. However, talking about stake makes me hungry, because I haven't had dinner yet, and it's past this wolf's dinner time. All right, we don't have it here against the RSI. So 4-hour chart, good. All right. On the daily, we said this bearishness. Oh, look at that now on the 4-hour. Nothing bearish here. Maybe some hidden bearish, maybe some strong bearish. Wait a second. This what? Now we gotta wait though, because this is just starting to form, right? This new island, man. And if the island keeps going, then it's gonna go higher, and we're no longer gonna have it. But for now, it's kind of there. So let's bask in its bearishness. It is bearish divergence strong, with the potential for action to the downside. Those were the 1 hour. How do you burn crypto with extra steps? Is it like burning calories? They haven't decided to develop withdrawal capabilities until some time in the future. Yeah, maybe so that people can have more Ethereum in the long run and they don't flood the market with the returns. It's actually kind of smart if you think about it, because you stake it, you're gonna get returns, but you're not able to sell it until withdrawals are allowed. That just means you're gonna have a lot of Ethereum. You're gonna have a lot of Ethereum sitting there, but you're not gonna be able to flood the market with it. You're not gonna be able to flood the market with it. It's gonna be a shortage of Ethereum everywhere. Jake War, what's up, guys? Thank you for joining me tonight. Jake, you said something about it's 20 now. I didn't get the comment, but I guess you were talking about APEPES. APEPE, 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 APEPE. Yeah, I looked. The highest sell is 13, bro. So I'm not sure. I'm not sure where you got 20 from. But this one sold for 13.13 and he got bought for 0.15. See what I'm talking about, guys? See what I'm talking about? Right? And good returns here, man, on the APEPES. That's a 0.77, so it's not super bad. Not super bad. This one's kind of nice, actually. I kind of like it. I was just not gonna pay 13 Ethereum for this. Other markets? What are you talking about other markets? I thought this was the only market we look at. The APEPE market. What do you mean there's other APEPE markets? What do you mean there's other APEPE markets? I want to sell for high. Where can I sell for 20? See what I'm talking about? This movement's still going up, so calling it to right now, it's irresponsible because we're not getting any kind of correction yet. We don't know if this is going to hold. It's just there. We just now acknowledge it for what it is. We got to see what it is, and then we'll, see. Do something. You've been sitting stagnant with Bitcoin 3 times while also running. Yeah. That's why diversification is key, my friend. We've talked about that before. And I was talking about this earlier, right? Look at Ethereum, bro. Look at Ethereum, right? 1,900, right? So it's gone up quite a bit. It's returned with a vengeance, right? Bitcoin hasn't 100% from its lowest point yet, right? But Ethereum has, right? Look at Ethereum here. Lowest point 886. 122%. What? Now, I'm just gonna take another measure here. That's another 30% from there. And then these things have almost tripled since I got them. So, yeah, tripled my investment. Smart, very, very smart. Now this is high risk though. This is like a gamble. You don't know if these things are gonna stay there forever, but they should. It's just brand new, and it's starting to get a lot of following. A lot of the Bored Apes are buying. Allegedly, a lot of the Bored Apes are buying their APEPE clone, I guess, or match, and yeah. Oh hell yeah, dude! That's how I bought my APEPES. APEPES. Yeah, but back into Ethereum, that's I didn't withdraw all my Ethereum. I withdrew some Ethereum. I still had some left, but I bought back in, and I took money that I had sitting there doing nothing to buy 3D printers, which everything that I spent has been repaid, and now they're making me net profits on everything they do. And I have a huge Terminator print coming through. It's actually half Terminator, half human. That one's pretty sweet. I can't wait for it to be done, and just get finished paid for that, and I just buy Ethereum with that as well. Or maybe buy APEPES. Why the music stopping? I don't get it. I don't get it, guys. The music just stops left and right. There we go. Just let's play this one. I think we already played this one. I want to play something else. I don't want to play this album. Maybe this one, I'm not sure. We'll see how this one goes. I'm not sure how this is going to be. However, I can tell you that Ethereum's doing good and my APEPES are doing fine. APEPE. Oh, this is what Jake gave me the other day. I'm still trying to figure out how to set it up. I can't. Jake, you were asking me about this. I'll show you. This is what I get. It says, ENS Constitution book now available. It says, so crypto has already been registered. So if I go to my account, this is what I get, and I have no clue what to do. I have no clue what to do. I can get to show my name here on, here. So, buddy Jake, thanks for the gift. I'm still trying to figure it out. If I just go here and click it, it takes me here, and then I guess I do set, but it says enter Ethereum or name address. So I'll do socrypto.eth, I guess, but it formulates a different address. I'm not sure if that's what I want to do. Because I want it to be on this address. So I have no clue. I'm stuck as to how I can set this to be my wallet name. Right? This is all crypto related, just not trading related. If you're around, Jake, please manifest yourself. And let's discuss this. I do want to get that name up and running. So it shows that So Crypto owns those APEPES. How do I know? Because here it says unnamed. I am not named the wallet. But I have my 2 APEPES, right? I have some crypto wallet. And this I think needs to get relisted, and this needs to get relisted for people to look at them and maybe buy them. I'm not sure how good they're gonna be, but I have some cool NFTs here. I have some cool NFTs floating around. Trying to figure out how I can show this. This is my Bitcoin Rorschach, semi cool looking pic, I guess. You can see whatever you want. Obviously there's Bitcoins there, but I see other things as well. Like this here looks like a weird face, right? There's like the eyes and the nose and the mouth. And then, yeah, just the Bitcoin Rorschach picture I made. That is just there, floating, doing nothing. APEPES. Go figure it, right? I guess Jake's not around. Gotta keep on rolling with this. I'm still standing. Better than I ever did. Looking like a true survivor. Feeling like a little kid. I'm still standing. Yep. So crypto, how do you hear about those APEPES? Is that Bitcoin Jake stuff? No, that's not Bitcoin Jake stuff. But Bitcoin Jake did tell me about APEPES here in the stream, and we looked at them on Saturday last week, and they were below 0.2 Ethereum, and I didn't buy any that day, and there were actually rare ones below 0.2 Ethereum, and I now regret not buying them. And then Jake came back on Monday morning and he said, well, dude, they're like 0.24. The floor is at 0.24. And I was like, oh, okay. And then I transferred some Ethereum and I bought 2 APEPES. And yeah, that's how the story goes. So I bought 2 APEPES for 0.27, 0.29. So average 0.28, we could say. And I'm looking to offload them, probably. Not both, but one at least. I'm not sure if I should offload one, wait for a price drop, and buy again, because they have dropped. I have seen them drop to like 0.5, 0.6. So even if I sell right now and buy back lower, I'll still be able to get like 0.1 Ethereum left over, and then just carry that on as I keep on trading. Um, Not sure yet how I want to handle this because it's not like regular trading, right? This could just, shoot off to the moon and then you're no longer there. Who's the creator? His name is Rare Dude Artist, whatever his name is. Jake actually knows all this stuff. Rare Labs. His name's like Rare Dude Designer. I don't remember his name. I'll tell you here in a second though. I can't find his name. But look, Jake already has Ape Defender. How did he get that stuff? Rare APEPES holders. I am a holder. I just haven't registered as a holder. And I'm fine with that. I was trying to find the developer's name. Account. But Jake knows this stuff. And yeah, I bought it to them. He told me, look, they're already at this much. And I was like, okay, worth a try. And I got them. And now I have 2 rare APEPES that have tripled in value almost. On APEPE value at 2.8, they're almost doubled and a little bit more. We can actually check that, right? They are 0.28 times 3, 0.84. They've been fluctuating there already. They're already been over 1 Ethereum. So like I said, right, they are fluctuating around those levels, right? Earlier they were higher. Right now they probably could be lower, right? See what I said? They're dropping a bit. But when you see this is just some a-hole that came in and is dropping this one on the cheap. But if someone picks this one up, the price is gonna hike up to 0.76 real quick. So it's a quick return on your investment. And then from there, just 2 before it goes to 0.77, right? So the way the floor moves is really fast, right? And then 3 more is 0.78, and thereafter that 3 more you're at 0.8 already, right? So like I said, these things have already been fluctuating through here all day. 3 times my return already. Yeah. Do they have utility? It's just been hard, I guess. I'm thinking that you have free luxury suite in Vegas. Let's see. I gotta think about that one. That one sounds tempting. Does the luxury suite have an expiration date? Trying to figure out how I can take my wife to Vegas and have fun. And yeah, sounds cool. Yeah, exactly. That's what I'm thinking about. That is what I'm thinking about. You read my mind, my friend. I gotta think about that one. It sounds tempting. I'm also thinking about buying another one, just to be honest. Shifting Ethereum over and buy one more. I just haven't found one that has like a rare trait that I want. And again, like I said, this is just like trading, right? But I'm trying to find one that has like a bubble gum or something. If you go here and search about attributes, you'll see what the floor level is for each one of them, right? So earrings, right? Earrings, the cross earring, it's the floor is at 1.5 Ethereum, so you're not gonna find any of those here at the 0.78. Diamond setup 0.19, right? For example, I know one of them has a silver stud, so that's a 0.9 Ethereum. It's higher than the floor level for this one here that has that silver stud, right? So I know that trait, silver stud, has a higher floor level than this one's. And then I'm trying to look for one that has a good trait. So like an unshaven bubble gum, it was here the other day for 74. And if you remember, I told you guys the unshaven ones had pretty good returns. Look at that one. Remember I told you it was like a 0.74 2 days ago that someone should pick it up? I was dumb. I should have shifted Ethereum and bought that one. Look at where it's at right now, the floor for the unshaven bubble gum. 1.24. 1.24, man. For unshavable bubblegum. Just because 0.65% have that trait. Now, the thing is finding those small traits, like unshaven dagger in the mouth, that would be a 0.28%. That's already at 2.35 Ethereum for the cheapest one. Now, you gotta look through here and snipe those traits. For example, this one's at 0.61, right? But if you look at this one that has a 0.94% with unshaven cigar, the floor level is much higher than this one that is rarer, because the rarity at 0.61, it's much rarer, but this one's up 1.09 Ethereum. So I'm not sure if I should just pick this one up, you know, look for it and pick it up. I'm thinking about it. Not sure that's what I want to do though. Yeah. So, yeah, I'm looking at this things and trying to figure out whether or not more than 2 it's a good investment. I kind of have 2, so I could sell one, but you know, I'm thinking about it. I want to find something that's worth having, that is not gonna, you know, be super expensive, that is gonna have a nice rarity. For example, this board unshaven pizza, like at 4 Ethereum for the lowest value one. If you can snipe one of those here on the low, like at 0.77, then you can make a real quick, or you can try to make a real quick return. You know, this diamond grill one, right? At 0.78 at 1.5 Ethereum, right? This green with gold grill, 1.5 again. You know, rarity sometimes does not necessarily correlate to the actual price of this. It's very subjective, right? Look at these blue beams in the eyes. He has 0.49 and it's worth 4 Ethereum. When you look at here, you have some that are 0.26 again, 4.2, right? And then this one again, 4.9. It is less rare than the other one, but it has a higher value because this is all just taste and preference. This is what people perceive to be cool, I guess, versus what is actually the rarity level of what's listed. Because this also goes back to what's listed. So Cyborg would be at 1.89. I think I should have done more research before I bought mine, because I think when I bought on Monday, there were still some rare ones that I could have picked up, and you know, I just took time, and everything was getting sniped. At least everything that I thought was cool was getting sniped. So I wanted one that had a vest and a leather jacket, and it's sold already. So look, let's go here by I'm just gonna search for attributes, and I know it's gonna be easier if I just go here with the hat and pick up the fez, and then go with the it's not gonna be listed because I don't see it here, but he's gonna have like a jacket. So clothes, he's gonna have that. I'm looking for like a leather jacket. Is it this one with the studs? No, it's not the one with the studs. Where's the leather jacket with studs? Should be like a biker vest. I think it's this one. No, it's not the biker vest. Jesus, which one is the one with the Oh, I know what I'm gonna do. I think it's 6221. So I'm just gonna search by number, because I know the first one I saw that I wanted. So let's go by 6221. Yeah, this one. I'm not sure what that jacket is called, but it's like a studded jacket. So, oh, leather punk jacket. There we go. So this one here, this one I saw when it was here at 0.25. Someone sniped it, and I really wanted this one because I like the crazy eyes. The crazy eyes are kind of like not a super rare trait, but they look really cool. And look at the trades though. Went from 0.25, then someone sold it at 0.34, and then they sold it at 0.85 again. Right, so see what I'm telling you guys? Like, it's been already up above that level. So I really wanted this one. It's just not listed, and I'm not gonna make an offer for this, to be honest. Mainly because it doesn't have any super rare traits that I want to have. I thought it just looked cool when I wanted to get it. But back to the stories, I was looking at what looked cool, and then I tried to match it with some rare APEPE. So not rare APEPE, with a rare ape. Like it says here, right? These rare APEPE is a homage to Bored Ape 2192. So if you go and look at that Bored Ape, if you go and look for that Bored Ape, you're gonna know that that Bored Ape correlates to that one, right? So you can come in here, go to the Bored Ape Yacht Club, right? Look at it here and go like that and look. Oh no, I put the number thing. There we go. Let's get rid of the army hat and see this one. This one's the one that matches this one, right? So I thought it looked cool. By the way, this guy, when he did it, he redid the art. Look at how awesome that art is. Look at the eyes, just the eyes compared to these eyes, right? These eyes are kind of cool, but this one's I think look better. The fez also here looks a little bit more real than this one, right? The punk jacket, I think I like the one from the ape a little bit better than this one. But you know, trying to make it a little bit real, it comes with that, right? This is just like more like a drawing. This is more like a 3D image. So yeah, it does match a rare ape. Now looking at this, the transactions for this rare ape have been around 0.88. That's the last sale, 0.90, right? So I was like, oh, this has a good sale record for high Ethereum value. Now the ones I have are this one, is this one that is currently on sale for 155, but its previous transaction, it's only sold once for 56, right? After that, it's just been transferred a lot, right? It's just been transferred a lot. So I'm not sure, maybe someone used it to buy something or trade it or something, but its transaction value is 0.56, and whoever's selling it is asking for 155 Ethereum. So with that, I'm also looking at this one, right? You come to love the CPI days. All right. Jake, dude, who created the APEPES? Because we were talking about them and preparing for what had questions, and I was trying to like make you manifest yourself by summoning you. I said your name 3 times, it didn't work. So I guess you're not like Beetlejuice in that aspect, but now that you're here, I think War had some questions. You might be able to help him answer. Yeah, to me it tells me that there's 6 people watching. I'm not sure. Maybe there's 6, maybe there's more. To be honest, I stopped looking at the viewership a while back. I just, you know, whatever, man. I stopped caring about that. Jorge, what's up, dude? Alrighty. So, anyways, I picked up one of these. Not this one. I wanted to get this one. I wasn't able to. I got 2 other ones. And like I said, good investment, right? Look at that. I can show you. This one here is getting already an offer. I could sell it, right? It's a floor offer at 6.9. I bought this one for 0.27, so it's doubling in a little bit more at this sell price. Right? So it's more than 100% on less than 5 days. Right? Then that's just to be fair, because this one here I got 4 days ago. I bought it 4 days ago, and it's been higher. I've gotten higher offers at 1 Ethereum. Wolf of Crypto, yeah. Where are the Wolf of Crypto? Margaret Robbie is in the background. Don't tell the why. Anywho, I got this one and then I got this one too. Right, so even this one, it's just this average price, 0.29, because that's what I bought it for. And that's minted, and then it got transferred a lot. Someone put it for sale. I was the first and only buyer of this one, so it doesn't have a transaction value or a transaction behind it. But if we go back to the APEPES, like I was showing you, that one matches this one. This rare ape is on sale for 155. Right? It has offers for 76 Ethereum. So I'm thinking maybe this one, it just goes halfway, man, right? I have to go all the way. If it just gets to like 40, yeah, wouldn't you be happy if you bought like 0.25 Ethereum and all of a sudden it's worth 40 Ethereum? I think that's gonna be an awesome return. Would this project be half of the apes? I'm not sure. I can tell you though, there's a lot of followings. I was in a YouTube space the other day. They were giving away some stuff, and the guy who was there had 1,200 people watching for 3 hours, talking about this APEPES. That's it. Nothing else. Just talking about the APEPES. So, Crypto, you should post that one for sale for something like 20,000. Make it rare. Just like the World Auction House of World of Warcraft. I think it doesn't work that way. You could post it for something high. Like, what's 20,000? 20,000 divided by 1,800. 1,900. Well, I'm just gonna round it off. That's like 10 Ethereums. Yeah, that would not be a bad return. With that, I can pick up a lot of, like, I can pick up 10 more of these APEPES, right? I'm not gonna put it on sale right now, though. I'm gonna consider it. I thought about it. But you know what? This one only 79 views to favorites, and I haven't even hit favorite for it. I can tell who's favorited. And what you can do here is you can go and see who hit favorite. And then if you can search and go through stuff, you can look and you can go here and see if they have any so I want to look at her and see if she has any Bored Apes. And she doesn't, right? So she doesn't have a Bored Ape, but what I could do is if I find one of the persons that is looking at this, maybe this guy, he has a Bored Ape. I'm not sure if he has Bored Apes, but we can look for board. Let's go to I don't have that many. But if they have a Bored Ape that matches it, you could tell them, like, I will sell it to you for this much money, right? And then this one has a lot more likes behind it. This one has 4. Maybe because he looks like a war dude from the NAM area. From the NAM area. But yeah. Like I said, you can look for trades, and then you can go here, robot, and then see what the floor is for robot eyes. It's 89. So even though the current price for this thing is 72, the lowest selling robot eyes, like this one, is at 0.89. The thing I like about this one is the unshaven. But you know, I could sell mine, and then the next one after that's 0.91, then 0.99, and then 0.1. Sorry, not 0.1, 1 Ethereum, right? And after that, they just go higher. So I know the robot eyes is gonna be a good trade to have at some point in time. And if I just look at the rarity, I could look at the rarity of this one, and you have I'm just gonna do some quick additions. So I'm gonna go 12%. Then another 3%, then another 4%, another 3%, then another 16%, and a 14%. All I did is just add the rarity in general that this one has, right? Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go back to mine, and I'm gonna look at the rarity, and I'm just gonna add it up and see where I'm at. So this one's at 52. Even if I clear it, it's just gonna stay here. So this one has 12. Plus 8, plus 4, plus 2, plus 23, plus 6. Has 55. So it's a little bit less rare, I guess, if I just add it overall. So maybe it's not going to be... Maybe it's going to be worth a little bit less, but I can still put it for 1 Ethereum, and if it goes, it goes, right? And also, this one has a silver stud. And if you remember, silver stud, right? Not just the robot eyes, but silver stud has a higher floor. Silver stud floor is 0.9, right? So it's still a little bit higher. And then again, it just gets harder for it to go up. But silver stud still has a higher floor. Yeah. And this one I just got because the ape was selling for 155 Ethereum. So I said maybe I could put it for half of whatever the ape sells. If it sells. Or sell it to the ape holder. Anyways, look, new punk blue, lumber jacket, eye patch, bowler hat. So I just could go to any trade like bowler hat. And the floor is 0.9. So Bowler hat is not that. It's lumberjacket, right? Lumberjacket 0.89, so that makes it almost 9 as well. Let's see eye patch. Eye patch 0.5, so not quite there. White. He's a white 0.72, so it's not super rare to be white, I guess. Bored cigarette 0.76, not that crazy. So maybe this one's not as rare as I wanted it to be, but you know, it's a cool to have. And I was asking Jake, how do I change this? But he wasn't around. Right, so everything should be cleared. And now the lowest one, like I said, 0.72. As soon as someone picks this one up, it's gonna go to 0.76, then 0.77, right? So the jumps here are pretty fast. You just have to keep on looking for them. And there's no charts for this, at least not to my knowledge. So I would not be able to tell you guys when it will be a good time to sell this thing. So you buy it and you're just gonna hope that it goes somewhere, right? Like this one kind of looks like the one I have, right? It doesn't have the robot eyes. The ring is different, but it looks fairly similar. How much this one sell? This guy's getting offers for 0.69 Ethereum. 0.76 the last sale value. So someone here sold cheaper, right? Look, 0.85, and then the guy probably saw the price was going to go down, and he sold for 0.76, which kind of sucks. And then he transferred it to someone else, or he got transferred to a vault or something. Sometimes people buy him and he just went to this address. Like as a phenom wah, it's like he say like wah wah. And again, not going super crazy. Selling for 0.77. Guy bought it for 0.76. So he's just gonna try to make a 0.05 Ethereum on gain here. Yeah, I think that's decent. Not the best, but he's just probably saying that this guy's not getting any good buys behind this one. And again, doesn't have a lot of rarity. Less rare than the one I have for sure, but you know, it's not getting picked up. So I guess not a lot of interest for this one. This one looks like the one I have, plus a biker jacket. I saw bubblegum the other day for 0.74, and I told you guys it was probably a good buy. So you know, some people get them. Some people like the party hat ones, right? Like this one's probably minted, and it has never been placed on sale, right? It just got placed on sale for 0.88, 0.85. So since minting, this one hasn't been placed, and this got minted 13 days ago. Anyways, we had a request here from Andrew to say Oscars. He said, do it on tap tools, man. Tap the tool. I have to go to charts. Go here, and then say, this is not what we wanted. Hoskins. Oh, look at it here. It is the Husky. That B. Alright, let's get on the daily. There's a wick there that's throwing everything off. It is throwing everything off. So let's just try to bring this short term here. Bring some indicators. Let's bring the MACD. Oh no. No, RC. There we go. Alright. Let's look at this. What we doing, man? There we go. High to low, low to high, hidden bearish divergence, right? So we're gonna kind of have to zoom in to look at this, but this is going from here to here and from here to here, Andrew. All right, this one's coming in lower, like that. So again, hidden divergence, bearish, potential fraction to the downside. Watch out for that. Oh no, let's go to the 4-hour Husky. Low to high, negative, less negative, low to high, nothing here that is bullish. Look, bearish divergence as well. Look at that, boom, right? It's going higher, coming in lower. Right, coming in lower here as well, boom. Potential reaction to the downside with the bearish divergence. Oh no, look at that, we took it nasty. It was a nasty dive here on the 4-hour chart. Let's go to the 1 hour. Oh, man. Oh my goodness! Sell looks like they're selling their assets to Ripple. They're selling their assets to Ripple? I wonder. I have a friend artist that haven't yet figured out how to make their art into NFT, but I will look into it. Are they digital artists or real life artists? The 1 hour just don't look that good, right? Coming in lower, more negative momentum, lower still here. Completely overbought at 100%, right? And then goes to neutral and then goes lower to 100 sold. So, yeah, the 1 hour Hoskies is really not a lot going on. 4 hour bearish, daily dead bearish. So that's it, Andrew. It's a bearish thing for Hoskies. We can use that sell. It's doing so. Oh look, you had bullish divergence. I guess that news is just catalyst for that continuation. But this, wow, this is just crazy. How much is it gaining here? 21. 16.84, 25. Wow, this is going like bananas. This sell is bananas. BANANAS. 1,000%. In I measure way too many days, but I'm just gonna go from here to here and be gentle and say 59 days, 1,000% return on Celsius. It's cold outside. Well, guys, it's been fun hanging out. I love being a wolf here. But if you enjoy the content, guys, I'm gonna have to call it stream for tonight. I have to have dinner, and the wife wants to watch something, so Netflix and dinner. Now, if you're catching this from live, welcome. If you're catching the replay, please leave me a comment in the comment section and say, "Yo, Wolf dude, you're amazing." Remember, all the information that we provide here is for entertainment and educational purpose only. Please don't trade based on what you see here. We're just discussing ideas. It's not financial advice. I'm a freaking digital wolf. Don't take advice from a digital wolf. I am a figment of your imagination. But if you enjoy the content, like Bell Sub, talk about people about the wolf of crypto. And yeah, don't trade based on what you see here. Again, fictional character. Fictional character. So yeah, that's good for tonight, guys. Thank you for joining. Like Bell Sub, join me on Discord. Link's gone out. Pinned at the top of the chat. Maybe the pin, maybe not pin. I can't remember if I pinned it, but it's at the beginning of the chat. So on that note, thank you very much for watching, and I'll catch you again tomorrow for another edition of So Crypto. Until then.